Hi there! I am teacher Annalyn. I'm so excited to meet you. I am certified ESL teacher with TEFL certificate. I have 2 years of experience as an ESL teacher, meaning I can teach adult and young. I love helping students learn English through fun games, songs, and stories. We will also practice speaking, listening, and grammar in a way that's enjoyable and easy to remember. I will make sure the lessons are fun and tailored to your interest. Book a class with me and let's start learning English together. See you soon. Bye bye.